Paper prototyping is when you transform ideas and concepts into design artifacts. Artifacts are tangible visual forms of your ideas that you can use to validate and test with your users. Your prototype can have different fidelities. Fidelities refers to the amount of details that you add into your prototype. Your prototype can have low fidelity, mid fidelity, and high fidelity. Paper prototyping is an example of a low fidelity prototype. Paper prototyping is when you sketch your ideas on paper. So, for example, you have a user flow for a mobile app that allows users to train their new puppy. So in their user flow, you have the splash screen, and you have option to allow your users to log in or to sign up. After logging in, you redirect your users to the home screen. In the bottom navigation, you have 4 options. You have home, training programs, social, and accounts. In the home screen, the main call to action is to set up puppy profile. After setting up the puppy profile, your users will see a confirmation screen. After the confirmation screen, they will be redirected to the home screen with the recommended programs, games, and different tricks. With the recommended programs, your users have the option to see more details about the program. And from this screen, you allow your users to start the training program. Now that we have our user flow, the next step is to sketch our prototype on paper. So the first screen will be our splash screen. So what we do is draw a shape, draw lines across the shape to indicate that it's an image. The next screen would be to indicate whether our users are going to be logging in or signing up. So what we do is draw our logo, write some copy, and provide options to log in or sign up. So in this scenario, our user is going to be logging in. So in the login screen, we're going to add a title, an option to add email and password, and our main call to action, which is to log in. The next screen will be our home screen. So we know in our prototype that our main call to action is to ask our users to create a profile for their puppy. So we'll add the call to action copy. And make sure to add the main call to action, which is to create a puppy profile. We also want to add in our main navigation in the bottom. So in the bottom screen, we'll have 4 items. So we'll have the Home tab, the Programs tab, the Social, and the Accounts tab. Next, let's test our paper prototype to gather user feedback. Hi, Valentina. Thank you for taking the time to test our prototype today.
Hello, Marinela.
So we have our paper prototype here. Imagine that you just got a new puppy and you want to start training them. So you downloaded this app and you want to test it out. While you're going through the prototype, it would be great, it would be ideal if you can think aloud. Tell us what you're thinking, what you're feeling, what you're looking at. It would help us understand why you're making certain decisions.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's do it.
Okay, so you're looking at the splash screen. Your first task would be to log in to the app.
There are 2 buttons, login and sign up. And I assume I'm already a user of this application, so I will press login. There are few input fields. I need to provide email and password after filling the input fields, so I press the login button.
So now you're looking at the home screen. The next task for you is to create a profile for your new puppy.
All right, tell us about your dog. This is the prompt. Yes, I will press create profile. Oh, nice. So I can upload my dog's photo, provide the name, age, and breed, and press create profile button. Oh, I got a confirmation message. A new puppy profile created. Got it. Let's press this button.
Okay, so now that you've created a profile for your new puppy, you want to start a program, a training program for them. So go ahead and explore the page.
Yes, so I see there are several training programs recommended, but I would like to learn more first. So I press View More button to read about the program. Okay, so there's a potty training, and they have 3 lessons, and I think it would work for me. So I proceed with Start button.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So that's the end of our prototype. Thank you for taking the time and providing your valuable feedback to us, Valentina. A paper prototype is just one example of different prototypes that you can create. Visit our website to learn more.